India Automation Challenge 2023, a novel initiative to encourage engineering students. India Automation Challenge 2023 welcomes budding engineers of India to design and build automation systems with practical applications. Industrial automation is published by Mumbai-based IAC Communications Ltd, and the company is also organizer of the iconic Automation Expo series of annual exhibition and conference programs. We are Siddhartha College of Engineering, Vijayawada.
We are Siddhartha College of Engineering, Vijayawada, and we have with us
Kasim Maulo.
Ashita, Divya Singhi.
So what we like to understand is what is the basic product concept that you guys have built?
So basically, we have built this product to perform spot welding on lithium-ion batteries. That is the basic concept of this particular product. And there is also a lot of future scopes in this product as well, but it is not just limited to welding. It can perform a lot of mechanical operations as well. But for this particular product, we have mostly focused on the spot welding of the lithium-ion batteries, because lithium-ion batteries have a soaring high demand in the industry right now, especially in the EV industry. Since EV industry is a growing industry day by day, we want to create this product to encourage startup companies and small-scale industries to also produce their own EV batteries.
What is the fundamental working of this entire project or your product?
So we have used PLC. So PLC is the main brain of the machine right now. So we have already dumped a logic program that we have written by our own selves. We have dumped it into the PLC, and the PLC works as a brain. We give the input and the PLC gives the output in the forms of motors and performing the spot welding on the lithium-ion batteries.
How does the interface come together?
This interface basically, here we are using a machine designed especially for XYZ accesses. Here we are using a PLC and giving the inputs from switches and everything. And from the PLC we are giving outputs for 3 of the stepper motors. These stepper motors gonna, as I mentioned you, XYZ axis, these gonna work for the XY axis. And I'm using a compressor for the single acting cylinder to work as a Z axis. And for the welding process, we are especially using another transformer which gonna produce 30 to 100 amperes of current. According to the strip, we can adjust the current and time, and we can do the welding process. As we start the machine, it's gonna do the welding process according to the precise position we already programmed.
What is the base material that is being used?
So the base material here you can see is a nickel strip. So these nickel strips, we are spot welding them onto the batteries, and the electrodes that is used is copper. So these are the basic materials or main metals that you can say is used in this product.
Why do you think your product is going to be unique?
It is unique because in market these days we have CNC products, which is fully automated machines which are quite expensive. So our product is eliminating 2 major problems that we face in the EV industry. One is the manual labor, and another one is the expensive CNC machines. So our machine requires both manual plus machine intelligence. So there is still a manual labor happening here, but which is not health hazardous. So the manual labor that happens usually for the spot welding is health hazardous, because a person, a human being, standing in spot welding the whole day has a lot of negative effects on the health. So this particular machine eliminates that health hazardous, and also it is a very budget-friendly machine, which also eliminates the expensive prices that the CNC machines provides us. And also the major advantage of this machine is it is a made in India product. So basically we're eliminating the dependency we have on other countries for similar products.
Who would be your ultimate end user?
End user, the small industries and startups. So it is on the low budget, around 85k. So for the small industry and startups, it is better to use this. And also we can do multiple operation just by replacing the operation tool like punching, spotting, etc. So with a small investment, they can do 2 to 3 operations. It is very good for them.
So if you have to keep a vision of marketing your product, who do you think your vendors would be, who would acquire your product? What's the plan? What's the plan to send this out in the market?
So basically we are mainly focusing right now on startup industries and small scale industries, but this can also be useful to the large scale industries as well. So it all depends on the budget they have. If there is a low budget thing, we are mostly focusing on startup industries and entrepreneurships people. So what happens here is this is a low budget thing. So the cost can vary from around 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees depending on what materials we are using. So for a startup to invest that much is okay. But to invest 3 to 4 lakhs in CNC machines is kind of an hassle for them. Whereas in large scale industries, their budget is slightly higher than 1 lakh or 2 lakhs. They can easily invest around 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. So for them, we can install better materials and sensors instead of limit switches for them to have a better product for large scale industries to give more accuracy and efficiency and without any human interface as well. So our main end users are small scale industries and startups, but as well as large scale industries as well. So when we commercialize it, it is in the idea that with one product they can perform 6 to 7 mechanical operations. So that is our main focus. So we are not just focusing on welding or on EV industries. We are focusing on large scale industries or large types of industries. Every type of industry can use this product to perform their own mechanical operation that is required for them.
Great. So we wish you all the best for your product, the project, as well as the competition this evening.
Thank you so much.